Hello, my name is George Langabeer, and I'm your home security and smart home specialist. For over 15 years, I was a loss prevention manager at a regional retailer. What does that mean? It means that for over 15 years, I used surveillance equipment to catch bad guys and bad girls doing bad things. In 2008, I wanted to take that experience to the masses. I went out on my own and started my own company, SilverHammer Surveillance. There, we sold and installed surveillance systems for homes and businesses. Then I also have a huge passion for the smart home. I'm a huge tech geek, and we also sold and installed smart home devices. And that's what you're gonna see on this channel. You're gonna see smart home tours. You're gonna see unboxings. You're gonna see reviews. You're gonna see all the above. Now, on a side note, I'm also a stage 4 cancer survivor. Colon cancer spread to my liver, and I am currently kicking cancer's ass, but I've shared this entire journey on this channel. So you're gonna see a little bit about that too. I very much appreciate having you here. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.